Here's an idea for you. Why don't you sell your hair on Hairsellon? Yeah, I know, right? So let's learn how. So Hairsellon is an online marketplace to buy and sell hair. Yeah, human hair. You can sell your hair if it's in good condition because apparently people want that. Here are a few of the listings that are currently online. Someone's asking $175 for 11 inches of dark brown hair with natural highlights. We've got virgin dark blonde here, hair length between 15 and 20 inches, priced at $500. We've got 15 inches of Mexican brown wavy hair, $200 or best offer. So how do you sell your hair on Hairsellon? Well, first of all, you register for a free account. Then you post an ad, and then you wait for the buyers to make you an offer. So where is Hairsellon based? Well, it's an online global marketplace. So that enables you to sell your hair to people around the world. Now, you don't need to cut your hair until you actually sell it. So why do you want to sell on Hairsellon? Well, if you've got long hair and you're going to cut it anyway, you might as well try to make a little bit of extra money online. So what types of hair can be sold? Well, any type of hair, from dreadlocks to memorabilia hair and everything in between. And they suggest that hair should be at least 5 inches long. And because it's a global marketplace, you can sell your hair from any country to wherever in the world. So does Hairsellon take a commission fee? Well, it doesn't take a commission fee, but you pay a once-off fee to have your hair advertised on Hairsellon. So in summary, to sell your hair on Hairsellon, you sign up for a free account, post a hair ad listing, wait for contact from buyers, then you manage the sales, payment, cutting and shipping, and then you get paid. They even have a hair price calculator, so you can work out how much your hair is actually worth. But remember what I said, you don't need to cut your hair until someone's actually bought it. And the best type of hair to sell is virgin hair, which is hair that has never been permed, dyed, bleached or coloured. So it's just natural hair. So if you're looking for a little bit of extra money online, consider selling your hair on Hairsellon. I'll put a link in the comments below. And you never know, somebody might be prepared to give you money for your hair. Anyway, that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe, and bye for now.